Greek chicken skewers, the kind of lunch no one can resist. Preheat the oven to 425 degree F. Season the veggies with olive oil, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper, and mix well. Spread over a baking tray and bake for 10-12 minutes, flipping halfway through. In a bowl, combine olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, dried oregano, Greek yogurt, and pepper to taste. Mix well. Add the chicken, combine and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Insert the chicken into skewers and arrange them in a baking tray. Lower the oven temperature to 350 degree F and bake for around 20 minutes. Shred the cucumber. Then mix it with the Greek yogurt, garlic, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Cover with the roasted veggies and the chicken skewers.